Good day guys and welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to get shift lock in Steal a Brainrot in Roblox. So I'm already in the experience for Brainrot and now what you have to do, also guys don't forget that this will also work on Android, or for example just on your phone. So what you need to do is navigate to your settings. If you're on PC, just press on escape and then go to settings. And guys, now you have to choose this camera mode, and the best thing for setting the shift lock in Roblox and Steal a Brainrot as well is going to be changing the camera mode to the classic mode. So as you can see, we have the camera toggle and we have the default classic and just classic. So make sure to choose classic, and this is the closest you can get to the shift lock in Steal a Brainrot. So this is pretty much how it's done. Only a few taps of a mouse and you're set. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.